Wednesday's precise and important news. We want to turn Afghanistan into a four-way transit. Imamuddin Ahmadi, the spokesman of the Ministry of Transport and Civil Aviation, says that we want to turn Afghanistan into a four-way transit, and we already have started practical work for this. ANSA returns imported fuel to Iran due to quality issues. 29 fuel tankers carrying low-quality diesel and petrol were refused entry into Afghanistan and turned back to Iran in Islamkala port by the Afghanistan National Standards Authority. Weapons and ammunition discovered. The General Directorate of Intelligence says that its forces have discovered and confiscated a large number of light and heavy weapons in the Salah district of Baghlan province. AFDA to create a specific plan to prevent the entry of low-quality medicines. The Cabinet of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan asked the Afghanistan Food and Drug Authority to create a specific plan to prevent the entry of smuggled and low-quality medicines and submit it to the Prime Minister's office. Refugees Minister met Hazara elders. Refugees and Repatriation Minister Khalilur Rahman Haqqani met with Hazara elders led by the Asadullah Sadati and discussed their problems. The ministry adds that Honorable Haqqani said in the meeting that in Islam there is no ethnic, political, race and religious discrimination and assured them that their problems will be shared with relevant authorities to find solutions for them. The country's central bank collected over 8 billion revenue. Ahmad Jawad Sadat, head of the central bank's monetary policy, at a press conference said that the bank collected 8.683 billion Afghanis in revenue in the solar year 1401, which shows a 59.5% increase compared with the previous year.